it up. Yeah, can you see the white?
Yes.
Into the yellow now. What did you in Germany do?
We went to Huntington and around LA area. I met his brother for the first time. He was really fun. And then we just like stayed on like Main Street and we just like drinking and going from bar to bar. It was really fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you get drunk?
He sure did.
Who drove?
He did. He doesn't really drink.
Jeremy
But-
doesn't drink?
No, but we also used like scooters, which I thought were so cool.
Oh, did you lime or which one did you do?
Yeah, the lime ones. They're so fun. I was like, what the heck? I want to buy one.
Right? Aren't they the
They're
best?
so easy to use and it's just like so relaxing, just like cruising down the streets. It's so fun. I was like, I want to do this all the time. What did you guys do? Did you guys do anything for the 4th?
They just went out. No, we didn't do anything at home before. We just went out for activities. It hurts a little bit.
Oh. Oh no.
Sorry.
Oh.
Let's get a little bit more numbing for it too. We'll get some more numbing. And we'll do the second one too. Here comes the numbing. One more. So Jeremy's not a big drinker?
No, I mean he will, but since we were out of town,
He doesn't care?
no. It was just me and his brother. And then his brother's boyfriend came around afterwards too. We were just, all three of us were just drinking. And he was
Brother's gay?
Yeah. So it was just like us three and him like wrangling us around, telling us where to go.
Do you like his brother?
Yeah, I like him a lot.
So you just met him?
Yeah, we got along like probably like as soon as we met each other, it was really good. He's older, 33. He's older.
How was his boyfriend?
His boyfriend was cool. He kind of reminds me of like
We have to not on that part.
Nana's here. And like
Oh, Michael's Who do you boyfriend?
Of James Kennedy from Vanderpump. Like they have like that same like
I
vibe.
have no idea.
What's
what
it
you're
up?
talking
Oh
about.
no, you never seen